Tired of your phone dying on the go? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger is your ultimate solution for endless power. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 times over. That's the massive 20,000 mAh capacity this device packs, keeping all your gadgets ready for anything. What truly sets this power bank apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest, safest charge possible. No more slow charging. It's optimized power delivery for every smartphone, tablet, or accessory you own. And for those times when one device isn't enough, the dual USB ports mean you can charge two gadgets simultaneously, perfect for sharing or powering multiple essentials. This isn't just any external battery pack. It's a reliable, high-performance power station built for busy lives, travel, and emergencies. If you're looking for the best portable charger that actually delivers, you'll find the link to grab your Anker PowerCore 20000 mAh in the description below. Experience peace of mind knowing you have premium portable power always at your fingertips, making dead batteries a problem of the past. It's the ultimate essential electronics accessory for anyone who demands dependable, fast charging performance. Click that link now to upgrade your mobile power solution. You won't regret getting this top-rated Anker power bank.